Lignite has strong chemical reactivity, is easy to weather in the air, is not easy to store and transport, and causes serious air pollution when burning. So the market of lignite is also limited. Lignite ball pressing machine has good wear resistance, is fully understand the peer development direction, set all the advantages of similar ball pressing machine, make full use of a variety of mature technology to develop a new generation of products. The machine has strong rigidity, and the press roll is forged with wear-resistant alloy. Bearings adopt rolling mill bearing attack and conditioning treatment. Hydraulic system is supported by regular big factories. Brown coal ball press is widely used in practice. It can produce a variety of materials, such as lignite pellet, lignite particle, lignite molding, lignite pellet, and lignite pellet, as well as non-ferrous metal industry powder or auxiliary materials, especially suitable for high-value added materials.